and the radio. I got my windows down. All right. Waiting for folks to join. A great looking Monday. A little chilly, but a great looking day. Lots of sunshine, just a few clouds across the area. So far, so good with the Buccos home opener. Prior to me walking in here, 4-0, Buccos, top of the 6th. Chris Archer, nice outing, 8 strikeouts. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So, I hope the Buccos can hold on for the last few innings. Yes, it is 3 o'clock, 2 minutes after, as a matter of fact. Hi, Dolores from Swissvale, how you doing? Georgianne, thanks for checking in. Patricia in Latrobe. Hi, Mom, how you doing? Yeah, it's time to cruise. We're going to get back to some cruising weather real soon. A couple things before we get into the weather today. For those of you that checked in over the weekend, I posted a picture of myself, my wife, and my 2 sons. We had the parents versus players hockey game on Saturday, and some of you asked who won, the players or the parents. Let me just say the parents didn't go exactly easy on the kids. We won 14-13. So was fun back on Saturday. Also, Final Four of college basketball, my bracket's busted. Forget about it. I only had 1 team that made the Final Four, and my national championship game is gone away. Duke and North Carolina both lost, and I'm sure a lot of brackets are in a similar spot. And my final word of pop culture for the weekend, if you're a fan of The Walking Dead, at least that's my review of the season finale that was last night. Very disappointed. And I'm going to have to reconsider whether or not I continue to watch the show when it starts again coming up in the fall. All right, let us get to a couple of particulars for today. First, we head to my favorite website, Pittsburgh Weather Now. This morning I did post the home opener forecast for those that were going to the game, and as always, check in the morning. I did my fun facts of the day, which was posted this morning, so check it out. Not only from this morning, but every morning there'll be a different fun fact of the day. And also, here on the homepage as we zip up, I do want to show you this. You can get Pittsburgh Weather Now in your inbox. Sign up with your email address, and the post will get directly sent to you in your inbox. You can do that right there on the homepage. And more than likely, we're also going to be giving away some of these in the not too distant future here. You can see, woo, that's free Chick-Fil-A, baby. We're going to talk more about that in just a second. So you like nuggets, chicken sandwiches? I got you covered. We're going to get that. First, let's head to our photo gallery for today. And as we get down to, we'll go to Pittsburgh photos today. Thank you for those of you that continue to send your pictures in. We continue to update the photo gallery, so check back regularly. And what we have today is PNC Park, courtesy of Robert Davis. So let's take a look at Robert's photo that he sent in to us. It's loading, loading, loading. And there you go. A lot of folks at the ballpark this afternoon, and a beautifully sunny day. Obviously, that's not from today. A lot more sunshine out there, but I thought that was certainly appropriate for today's picture of the day. Now, one thing I want to say very quickly, we do have an official sponsor now of WhiteBoard Weather. It is Chick-Fil-A in Robinson Township, and we're going to be giving out regularly through social media on Twitter, as well as here on Facebook, gift cards for free food at Chick-fil-A. And earlier today we gave one out on Twitter. That went out to Donna Meehan. She was our gift card winner for today. There'll be plenty more of that to come. As you can see, hold on one second, I apologize. wrong button. As you can see, that's what the gift cards look like. And here's the stack that I have right now. So Chick-Fil-A and Robinson kind enough to send us a bunch of gift cards that we're going to be sharing with you. So get signed up on the inbox, and we're going to be giving away more gift cards here as well as through our Twitter, which is at Pittsburgh Weather Now. So please get signed up. I want you to win some free food from Chick-fil-A. All right, let's get to the birthdays for today. Very quickly, Susan Boyle from America's Got Talent, the singer. She celebrates a birthday today. Rachel Maddow of MSNBC, the host, celebrates her birthday today. Bo Schembechler, former coach of the University of Michigan Wolverines football team. And Phil Niekro. If you're from my generation, you perhaps remember the knuckleballer Phil Niekro. I thought it was appropriate that he celebrated his birthday today and to mention it on Pirates home opening day. Of course, today is April Fool's Day, so be on alert for some of those pranks that people may try to pull today. It is also Sourdough Bread Day and 1 cent day. So penny for your thoughts. It's 1 cent day today. On this day in history, singer Marvin Gaye passed away, and a company called Apple, you may have heard of them. They were founded on this day back in 1976. So that is the rundown of the birthdays, national days, and this day in history. All right, let us get to some weather information. Right now it is 40 degrees. We have fair skies overhead. West wind at 5 miles an hour, and the barometric pressure is falling slightly from 34. As we get to some weather information, first off, I want to show you this. This is the outlook for the next 2 weeks, and you can see those deep shades of orange and red. That is indicating that at least the 14-day temperature trend has temperatures above normal. So despite today's chillier temperatures, it looks like we will swing the pendulum in the other direction as we head down through the next 10 to 14 days. And with regards to precipitation, looks like we'll have, you see that N right over western Pennsylvania? That means we'll probably have about normal amounts of precipitation over the course of the next 2 weeks. Speaking of precipitation, now that March is over, the snowfall, the official snowfall total for November through March was 36.6 inches. I looked back, and the forecast that I gave you back in October for the same time period, November through March, was 39.5 inches. So I was off by just a shade under 3 inches for the winter season. But I'm pretty sure that I was probably by far the closest to the actual number for the season. All right, let us get to the maps for today, and you will see that we have high pressure in control here. It is sitting right over the Delmarva area. Chilly day today. This is this evening. I do think we're going to start to switch our flow more out of the south and west, so that's going to moderate temperatures in the next couple of days. Now, as we head through the day tomorrow, you'll watch a storm system down here off the southeast coast. That'll spread moisture across parts of the Carolinas and in through the southeast, but it's not going to get any further north in parts of Virginia. So I think if anything, we'll just see a few clouds from that system moving in the area tomorrow, but no precipitation. So it's probably going to be a mixture of clouds and sunshine. This is Tuesday evening at about, say, 6 o'clock, and you can see that storm system well offshore. Again, maybe some light rain hugging the coast, but nothing here. Another dry day expected tomorrow with temperatures starting to jump back near normal. On Wednesday, this is Wednesday morning, still quiet, high pressure to the south, another quiet day on Wednesday. So through the middle part of the week, things are going to stay quiet. And then as we head toward Wednesday, late Wednesday and Thursday, you'll note this storm system back across the central southern plains. That eventually will start to spread moisture toward our area. I think our next best chance of seeing rain showers won't come until sometime the second half of the day, Thursday and into Thursday night. I want to show you that outlook very quickly. This is Thursday morning. There's that low in the southern plains, but you can see some of the moisture already starting to work its way toward the lower Great Lakes. Again, I think it probably arrives here, at least some moisture arrives here the second half of Thursday Thursday night, and I think of the next 5 days, Friday will end up being our quote-unquote rainy day heading into the weekend. But the weekend right now looks like it will be dry. So let us get to the whiteboard for today, sponsored by my fine friends at Chick-Fil-A in Robinson. Pay them a visit. They're good folks out there. As we take a look at the sunrise and sunset times for today. Sunsets at 7:44, rises at 7:03. A quick recap of the month of March. The average high for the month was 46. The average low was 27. That put us for the month 2.9 degrees below average. The temperature discrepancies. This is what we talk about March Madness. The highest was 77. It happened on March 14th. The lowest was 6 degrees on the 5th. So that's a 70-plus degree range between our highest and lowest for the month. As far as April is concerned, 62 and 40 are the averages for the month, and we will gain an hour and 13 minutes of daylight over the next 30 days. So here's your forecast for tonight. Mainly clear skies, 28. Tomorrow, a mixture of clouds and sunshine, 53. So it'll be a good, say 10 to 13 degrees warmer tomorrow than it is today. Tomorrow night, clear, cool, 37. Wednesday, mostly sunny. We jumped to 58 degrees. Real nice middle part of the week. Then Thursday, cloudy skies, still mild, 54 degrees. We increase that chance for a shower in the afternoon on Thursday. The most likely period of seeing showers will be Friday, 57, the high temperature. And then looking ahead to Saturday, 62 degrees and partly sunny skies. So as you're looking ahead to next weekend, I should also mention that Sunday looks sunny with temperatures in the upper 60s. So looking ahead to next weekend, it looks very delightful with temperatures approaching 70 perhaps by the end of the weekend. So there is a look at your whiteboard for today. Again, brought to you by my fine friends at Chick-Fil-A in Robinson. Love me some nuggets. Love me one of their chocolate shakes. All right, I think that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for today. Again, as always, I ask you to please share whiteboard weather. It is through you that we continue to grow whiteboard weather. If you share it, it goes out to all your friends, and we continue to get the word out about whiteboard weather. Also, check out PittsburghWeatherNow.com when you get a chance. We have our weather fun facts of the day up every day. The photo gallery is expanding every day. And please subscribe to get whiteboard weather on your inbox. And also, when you subscribe, I think that's probably going to end up being the way we get these little guys out to you, these gift cards from Chick-Fil-A. So please sign up there. That is going to do it for today. I'm going to head back and check out the Buccos game, see if they're still winning. I assume they are. Just water. All right, have yourself a great rest of your Monday, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Butler in the house. Appreciate it. See ya.